Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a short video on how to transfer a structured data from your relational database to your HDFS, which is your Hadoop environment. And here I will be doing that from your MySQL to HDFS using Sqoop import command. So let's open Cloudera platform first, which is my CDH 5.13. Let's open my terminal here. Um, One second, let me just zoom in it. Okay, so let's see first what all tables are present in my MySQL which I want to transfer. So I'll show you that first. MySQL user is root, password is Cloudera for me. Okay, so all right, so we are into Metastore database in which I have a small table which can easily be transferred for the example here. So all right, so let's take version. We have version, the last one. Okay, this is a small table, and so we can transfer this one row table to our Hadoop environment using Sqoop import command. And guys, remember one thing. Give me a minute. I'll just explain you that before before importing any file from your relational database to your Hadoop, make sure that your table has a primary key. If there is no primary key, it won't get transferred. Okay, make sure about that. So our database was Metastore, and inside that our table was version. Just remember that for a minute. I'll just open another terminal here. Let me zoom in and I'll show you basic Sqoop command to transfer that. It's a very easy one line command. I'll explain you that also by breaking it. Let me type that. I think I have already there. Yeah, this is a Sqoop command in which, let me explain you. I'm importing a file from my MySQL to my Sqoop, like basically your HDFS using Sqoop through JDBC driver, which is a Java driver, and my file is present in my local host. Then you have to give your database name. My database name was Metastore in my MySQL. Then username and password of your MySQL, and then your table name. My table name was version. Okay, and after that, just press enter, and it will take a little some time here because before processing your uh, your map reduce and jobs will take place. So right now your all the jobs, which is basically your yarn part, is activated now, and now your map reduce is starting, which makes the entire Hadoop a little slow because there are some input output operations. And if you go for complete map reduce, it takes mapper and reducer part, but in Sqoop it only takes the mapper part. Just for the understanding. Meanwhile it's loading. Alright, so you can see we have successfully transferred one file, retrieved one record. If I want to see that record, we can use simple Linux commands. It's hdfs dfs ls. So this is a list command of all the files present in my hdfs now. So I have version now. You can see version is file is there now. And if I want